Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to create a WordPress website using Elementor. First, ensure WordPress is installed on your hosting. Then, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, and search for Elementor. Install and activate it. Finally, choose a theme that works well with Elementor, as this will provide the best foundation for your design journey. This initial setup takes only a few minutes. Now that Elementor is ready, let's start building. Create a new page or post and click the Edit with Elementor button. You'll see a blank canvas and a panel of widgets. Simply drag and drop elements like headings, text blocks, or images onto your page. Each widget offers extensive customization options, allowing you to adjust colors, fonts, sizes, and positioning with ease. It's incredibly intuitive. Elementor offers powerful features for more intricate designs. You can structure your pages using sections, columns, and intersections to create sophisticated layouts. Don't forget to explore the extensive Elementor template library, which provides hundreds of professionally designed blocks and full pages you can import. Also, always check your responsive settings to ensure your website looks perfect on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones, reaching every potential visitor. Once your design is complete, it's time to publish your masterpiece. Always preview your page carefully to catch any last-minute adjustments before hitting the Publish button. Remember to save your work regularly throughout the design process. Elementor has an autosave feature, but manual saves are always a good practice. For even more power, Elementor Pro offers hundreds of additional widgets and advanced features to elevate your website further.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.